the best way to get rid of hiccups? I was in the middle of a huge presentation when I got the worst case of hiccups. I tried to keep going, but it was impossible. My boss told me to go get a drink of water and come back when I was ready. I was embarrassed, but my coworker, who was also my best friend, came to check on me. He said he had a way to get rid of them, but I had to trust him. I was desperate, so I agreed. He told me to close my eyes and hold my breath. Then he said he was going to slap me, and I had to keep my eyes closed and not flinch. I was confused, but I did it. I held my breath and waited. I heard him count to 3, and then I felt a light tap on my cheek. I opened my eyes and he was laughing. I was about to yell at him when I realized my hiccups were gone. I was shocked. He said it was a trick his dad taught him. The fear of getting slapped makes your brain forget about the hiccups. I went back to the presentation and nailed it. Afterwards, my boss said he was impressed with how I handled the situation and gave me a promotion.